Hi, this is Brandon with Precision Defensive Solutions, and today I'm really excited to announce some new services coming from us for 2023.
If you carry a firearm or any other weapon for self-defense, you need to be prepared for the legal battle that is likely to follow a self-defense incident. Even if you are defending yourself or others, you are likely to be arrested and go through an expensive and difficult legal process while the court determines that you are the good guy. Firearms Legal Protection offers individual basic, individual premium, and family premium plans. All plans provide excellent legal protection. For about the cost of a box of ammo a month, you can have uncapped legal defense ready and waiting, along with several other great benefits. I want to make sure all my viewers have some sort of legal protection prearranged. Use the code in the description to get a special discounted rate on new protection plans.
So for a while, I have been cleaning some people's guns here and there as they needed it, either because of time or they didn't have the desire to learn how to do it themselves or whatever. I have recently been thinking, this is a pretty good service, and with people's busy schedules, sometimes they just don't have time to maintain their guns properly. Now, I'm not talking about scrubbing them and all the time or take them out one time and shoot them. I'm talking about when you've got a few hundred rounds through it or several thousand rounds through it, and you haven't lubed it, you haven't cleaned it, you haven't done anything, and you're just really abusing your gun. These things are expensive, and so for 2023, we're going to put out that Precision Defensive Solutions, I myself would be doing the work, would be able to clean your guns for you. So most guns we can clean, at least to a field strip level. Most guns I'm not going to go more than that, nor do we necessarily need to. However, with 1911s, I can do a full detailed strip cleaning for you. With Glocks, I can do a full detailed strip cleaning for you and really get down into the nitty-gritty on those guns for you. So if that's something you're interested in, jump on it, give me a ring, and we'll work something out. Talk to you soon, everybody. Be safe. Keep throwing lead down range. Take care, everybody.